Hello friends! Today I will teach you how to make banana milkshake, chocolate milkshake and salted lassi. So let's get started. If you are new, so subscribe to our channel.
Banana milkshake. Ingredients: 250 ml semi-skimmed milk, 1 scoop vanilla ice cream, 2 chopped banana, 50 ml whipped cream, pinch of cinnamon, 1 fresh cherry. Directions: put the milk, vanilla ice cream and banana into blender. Whisk everything up till smooth. Then pour into a glass. 2. Top with a big spoon of whipped cream and decorate with a pinch of cinnamon and a cherry. Chocolate milkshake. Ingredients: 2 cup vanilla or chocolate ice cream, half cup cold milk, quarter cup Hershey's syrup. Directions: 1. Place ice cream, milk and syrup in blender container. 2. Cover. Blend until smooth. Garnish if you want. 3. Then serve it. 2 servings. Salted lassi. Ingredients: 500 gram yogurt, 500 gram water, ice cubes as per your choice. 1 small tablespoon black salt, quarter small tablespoon black pepper. Directions: 1. Put curd, salt, ice cubes in the mixture and beat it. 2. Mix water and beat it again. 3. Mix black salt and pepper and mix it well. 4. Your lassi is ready.
Try these recipes at your home and comment us how was your experience. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.